Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the double tap feature so the phone can respond when you tap the screen. Open Settings and tap Display or Additional Settings depending on your MIUI build. These menus hold touch-related options. Once there, find and turn on double tap to wake so the screen will register light taps. Make sure you're not in a power-saving mode because that can disable responsive gestures. After enabling, try a quick tap to confirm the display wakes reliably before proceeding to lock behavior setup. Now you configure double tap to lock the screen rather than just wake it. Open Security, the System Launcher Settings, or a Gesture Settings tab. MIUI varies by version. Look for double tap to lock or a similar gesture option and enable it. This makes a light double tap on the home screen turn off and lock the display. Once enabled, try a firm double tap on an empty home screen area to verify it turns the display off. If it fails, repeat and ensure no other gesture conflicts are active. Finish by confirming the lock action consistently across a few attempts and adjusting sensitivity by avoiding protective screen layers that dampen taps. If double tap occasionally fails, make sure Do Not Disturb or Power Saver modes aren't restricting gestures, and disable other overlapping gestures like Quick Launch. If problems persist, reboot the phone, check for MIUI updates, or remove and reapply screen protectors. As a last resort, restart in safe mode to test third-party launchers. That reveals whether an app is blocking the double tap lock.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.